Okay, hey everybody, it's Neil, and I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna click on this here so you guys can see, hopefully it'll do that. But here, this is my hydro garden tower kind of thing that I built myself. I 3D printed it and then got these lights for it. But what I need to do now is I need to get this pH. Let me click on me again so we can get the lightness going. Good. Okay, so I need to get the pH for the water correct. And what do I have? I have this meter that I bought. So I got this one here. This is the pH TDS whatever meter. It comes with 2 meters. So it comes with one that tests the total dissolved solids, I guess, and other stuff. And then it's got this one here that tests the pH. So I have a thing of water here, and we're gonna give this thing a shot and try to see what the pH is. And then we're gonna use our pH up and pH down. So we got these two things too. So we bought this, that, and then we got this kit too. So all these 3 things we're gonna be just checking out today. So this is a little glass tube with a syringe, and it comes with a couple of those. It comes with another glass little pipe too, I guess to tamp things down with, and a cleaner for it so we can clean it out. So there we go. So it comes with 2 of these. So we're gonna try this and we're gonna see how our pH is, because that's really all I care about at the moment. So we're gonna see, we zeroed it out, and now we're gonna check this thing here. Sorry, it's at 7.7, and we need to be at like 5.5. So what we're gonna do is get some pH down, and I did use a little bit of this earlier, and this stuff, a little bit goes a long way. So we're gonna just take a tiny bit. So let me go in here, and I'm gonna lower it so it's about at the 1. So it's about at the 1, and I'm gonna squirt about half of that in, and then we're gonna test it again. So we're gonna swirl it around and see how we did. So we are at 6.5 maybe? Oh, let's see here, I'm gonna put this down. We're gonna swirl it around. I don't know what I got going on there. Drop something in it. I guess it's probably a piece of the stuff. Okay, there we go. Okay, so the grow medium. And we are at 6.8 now. So I gotta put a little bit more pH down. We gotta get down to 5.5 to 6. So we're gonna go in here. I don't know what they put in here. It's just incredible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 more drops into this huge thing of water. It's probably a gallon in here. And stir it around a little bit. And we are now at, let's see, it's changing a lot. So we are at 6 point, what are we at? Oh, am I upside down? 6.5 or something. So let's just go a little bit more. Oh man, that's probably way too much. But whatever, we'll stir it around. 4.97, 5.6. Okay, so now we are just stirring it in. We are at about 6. We're about 6.5 at the moment. So we're gonna keep stirring it here just because I don't know if I stirred it enough. Let's see what we get. 6.6. Okay, let's try a little bit more. Okay, let's see what we get now. Uh-oh, might have gone too much. Let's see. No, we are at about 6. Oh, 6 1/4 still? I don't know, maybe it needs to be calibrated. There's more in there. Let's see how we did now. We gotta get it down to 5.5 to 6. Oh my gosh. No, this is 3. Oh, here we are, 5.55. Oh, there we go, 5.49, 5.52, 5.55. 5.554. Okay, so we made it to a good level here. So whatever it was. So I probably used about 3.5, whatever that is, to about 3.5's worth would be my guess. Right about there's worth of stuff. So didn't use very much. So it comes with a whole tub of it. So we are at 5.56. So I'm at the very lowest end of where I wanted to be. But that's it. So that's this pH down and then the pH up, and it was by Bloom City. And this tester here, I don't even know who this is by. This is by Lab Supplies. So that, and then this is by Lab Supplies as well. That came with it. And then this is from Glass Graduated. I don't know, but I'll put the title of it in there for you so you guys know what it is. But very cool. So now we've got water that's perfectly ready for my hydro tower. So I'm gonna have to somehow pour it in there without spilling it all over the place. So definitely very cool. So this stuff works good. So pH up, pH down, those 3 items are awesome. And links in the description. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks, bye.